Hey y'all, welcome to another video. Yes, today is another product review. I'm just shooting off these videos while I can because unemployment is they cutting that shit. So we got to go back to a 9 to 5. But anyways, check out this makeup. Get into it. Get into it. Ain't nothing to do but to do it. Period. Let's go. Hey y'all, let's get right into this. I use the P. Louise base Rumor Shade 0. Also, I use the Ditto palette, the Ditto Firework palette. Purchased that for $5.99 from Ross. Yes, I got this small kabuki brush from Amazon. If y'all want info on that, I will link it in the comments or something. But other than that, I just want to hurry up and get through this video because I can't stand editing. But I really wanted to review this product that I purchased from Amazon. I really hope y'all enjoy the video. Also subscribe, click on that notification bell. Gang, gang. So you can be part of the Royalty Lashes gang. And you know when I'm about to do a slay or got something to say. Period. I also do live tutorials. So if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram, why not? Okay, get your life. Why not? Also, I'm on TikTok. I do food videos, all that. Coming soon will be my YouTube channel, Strictly Food Recipes. Okay, y'all? Strictly Food Recipes. Let's speed this up and put some music. I hope y'all liking the video so far. I really didn't see what the difference was between the lemon yellow and yellow, but I decided to go ahead and use the, I think it was the lemon yellow as well as the green. I also went ahead and placed the 𝗵𝗵 Super Strong Clear Adhesive. Well, it goes on white, but it dries clear. That really works. I got that technique by Beats by Deb. I watched one of her videos and that's what she used. Because when I used the water, no, it was all pasty and stuff. And I didn't like the consistency of the neon pigment. But y'all go ahead and try it and let me know what y'all think in the comment section or whatever. But regardless, it's a slay baby. Period. Okay? Let's get into it. Well, let's get back into it.